Today, I want to show you a supplement trend that's already a part of a billion-dollar market, and it's starting to take off on Shopify. The trend I'm talking about is L-Citrulline. Inside ShopiLab, it's showing over 110,000 monthly searches, with crazy growth, mind you. And when I looked deeper, I found an absolute winner in this category, this trend. It's called the Joymode, and these guys are doing an incredible job at the marketing side of this trend. But what makes this even more interesting is that you could launch a brand in this trend right now. You can get the product from a verified US manufacturer through Supliful. You could build your Shopify store for only $1 a month with my free theme that I'm using to scale multiple stores at the same time right now. And you can use DraftPie to make winning ads in literal seconds from what I'm about to show you. So let's just break it all down. Let's start with the actual opportunity. As you see here, the L-Citrulline market globally is currently expected to grow to over $2.4 billion. It's mainly driven by rising demand for sports nutrition and cardiovascular health. And I'm going to show you just an easy way actually to market this product, which is exactly what these other guys are doing, which I think is really genius. Now, as I mentioned, you can see with this graph that this is absolutely booming, and 110,000 people are looking this up every single month. And that's just on Google alone. So we know there's a ton of demand that just needs to be captured in the right way, whether it's on Reddit, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, even on LinkedIn, there are ways to capture some of this demand. And we know through the market size that this is not just a keyword trend, it's a real category with a ton of money flowing through it. And here's where it gets interesting. We know a brand that's actually pulling this off very successfully. These guys, Joymode, are absolute geniuses when it comes to the marketing of this product. One really interesting thing right away is that they don't even really mention L-Citrulline too much, even though it's in their ingredient stack. They just name it sexual performance booster. And that's actually the main marketing angle that I think is really genius, is tapping into people's sexual performance, because it's a very painful angle for a lot of people and one thing that people really want solved. So they're not really selling the ingredient, they're selling the outcome. But even though these guys have done an incredible job branding this and everything, just launching something like this isn't actually as complex as you think. I was actually able to find this product on Supliful, which is a partner of ours at ShopiLab for producing and shipping on-demand supplements for your Shopify store. And in fact, you can see these guys have an example here of how you could label your product. But again, there's tons of ways to be creative here and add your own spice to this specific trend. But more importantly, we can see that the numbers actually do make sense. As you see, we can get it for $7.19, and with processing fees and everything, it'll be about $14. So let's say with shipping fees and processing, it's going to cost us about $14 to get this shipped out to customers. I'm using a free calculator here inside ShopiLab.ai in order to determine these numbers. This is a very important step. If you don't know your numbers, it's going to be very hard to build a successful business. They're charging $49.99 for this product. I did also do a quick Google research here to see what other competitors are pricing, and there's really all ranges of prices. So based on all the clients that I have and all the stores that I'm building and investing in, I would say you don't really want to be the cheapest option. It's going to be better and healthier for your business, especially if you're bootstrapping it, especially at the beginning, to actually be able to make a profit. So you don't want to price too cheaply, but of course you don't also want to price it too expensive, in my opinion, because it might prevent people from buying. So in this case, I think a reasonable price could be $39.99, but then I would probably charge $5 for shipping. So we'll put about $45 as the actual price that we're going to sell it for. And if people buy more, then we can give them free shipping. These are all the things I like to teach my accelerator clients. These are people that myself and my team work with one-on-one. It's a 3-month program. You can check it out in the description. It's by application only. It's pretty exclusive. And if you don't have the budget, then we're just going to lead you to all these free resources that I love to share with you guys so that you can still take action. But of course, if you are committed and you have the budget, then the accelerator is a great shortcut to launching your business successfully, or getting the exact steps to scale your business as well if you already have one. But with a $45 total selling price here, right, we know we'll be making nearly a $30 margin per sale. So let's say we're getting a 2.3 ROAS on Meta, which is not a crazy thing to do if you're making really high quality ads. We're going to be at 22% profit margins just on the front end of the business. But of course, with products like these, you're going to get people coming back to buy more, which will increase the overall business's profit margin. Let me show you some of the ads that they're running. They have over 200 different active ads. And as you see, some of these are really clever. What they're doing, which is really interesting, is they're actually targeting men, but through women, right? Through having beautiful women in their ads and women talking about sex with their husbands or significant others, which is a bit of a taboo subject, but they do it pretty tastefully actually. And so it works extremely well. In fact, let me show you here this is their highest impression ad. So this is the ad that they currently have active, which has the highest impressions on their account, which tells us a lot, right? That definitely tells us that something in this ad is working. So let me show you real quick.
Okay, so you're already hot. But what if you could turn things up a little bit more? Joymode is not just for guys who can't perform in the bedroom. It is far from that. This is for guys who want to take things even further, harder erections, more stamina, and the kind of confidence that makes a girl like me.
That's actually such a brilliant hook that she said right here. It's not just for guys. Here, let me see. She said it's not just for guys who can't perform in the bedroom. It's also for people that want to take it up a notch. So it's making people feel better about that potential problem and getting them inspired actually to buy this product. It's so brilliant.
It is far from that. This is for guys who want to take things even further, harder erections, more stamina, and the kind of confidence that makes a girl like me want to push every limit. What are you waiting for? Get your Joymode.
And then it's just a very clean call to action at the end. 25-second long video, but it does so much so well. But guess what? If you're a decent editor, you can replicate something like this. And if you're not a good editor, then you can actually still use some of the inspiration that they have with their image ads. This image ad right here that they launched is doing extremely well for them. It's also one of the top impression ads. And I was actually able to replicate this with DraftPie, which is what I mentioned at the beginning. It's a tool that my agency team made so that we could pump out creatives very quickly when it comes to static ads. So all I did is I actually just copied this image right here. I just copied it and then I pasted it here in this creation bar here. It's basically kind of like ChatGPT. We have a bar here so you can see the image here. And then I just said swap out the bag in image 2 with the bottle in image 1. And I also, image 1 was an attachment of this. So it was literally just the bottle from Supliful and I just added it there. Now, of course, you'd want to actually design a bottle, which is not too difficult. I would actually urge you to use your creativity or use whatever large language model you like ChatGPT 5.4 or Claude Opus 4.6, whichever one you like. I mean, I'm sure by the time somebody views this in the future, we'll be at like ChatGPT 7.3 and Claude 5.7, who knows, right? But long story short, you can launch something like this and you can get creative with the prompting and do whatever you want. But all in all, the lesson here is that a lot of the best opportunities are not brand new inventions. They're existing trends with growing demand and better branding or better marketing, or in this case, both. But that's about it. Peace.